So tonight we're working on the transmission cooler to put for the automatic transmission. Right now it doesn't have one, so I ordered a kit. And here's the kit right here. We're gonna go ahead and unwrap it. Alright, so here's what we got. Yes, this is my couch. I got a couch in the garage. So this is the 40K true transmission cooler. This is the hardware for it and the hose. This is the transmission cooler bracket that you're gonna need to put that on. It came with some pretty cool stickers, thanks to Gap. It came with 2 brackets and some bolts. So first you have to take off this piece and replace it with the other one. So we're going to do that now. That is 2 10mm bolts. Alright, so now that you got that on, next you're going to go over here. These 2 brackets that you got with that transmission bracket. Alright, so this is what you want the top ones to look like. It's actually the top ones. You're going to space them like this. And it's going to be the long slotted hole. Just like that. They're both going to face in. So it's going to look like this. And now you still have 2 of these left. What you're going to do is this slot and that slot are going to go right there and right there. Or right here and right here. We'll see. Hold on. Alright, so you're going to line up the bottom first like that. And you're going to put the spacer in between. Oh. Alright, so now that you got the 2 bottom ones started, that's what you should be looking like right now. And these are going to be your 2 self-tapping screws that came provided with the kit. Right there. And then you're going to do your trans cooler lines. We're going to do that in another video. So y'all stay tuned and we'll do the transmission cooler lines next.